everyone, welcome back to SP Global Solution channel. Today we are going to celebrate success celebration at SP. Some of our students got placed with good package. Our SP Global Solution team congratulates each and every students for their incredible success. Let's know about their interview experience and the reason behind the success. Hi Manoj,
Hi.
can you share your experience?
Yeah, hi, thank you. Here I was joined 2 months before and I learned Python, Django and SQL. And this institute is very helpful for me to crack the interviews, and they took the mock interviews and provided materials that is very helpful for me to crack the interview. Thank you.
Thank you Manoj. What is the most difficult situation you have faced in your interview?
Yeah, in my HR round, they are asked about my gap period, and before I am going to HR round, our institute is took the interview, mock interview. In that, they are suggested me to how to answer the questions, and that is very helpful for me to crack the HR round. That's it.
Okay, hi Manikanta.
Hi.
Can you share your experience?
Yeah, sure. Hello everyone. My name is Manikanta. I am from Jagitya, Telangana. Recently have done my graduation in Methodist College of Engineering, which is CSC background. So have came here around 2 months ago to SP Global Solutions. SP Global Solutions is one of the best platforms to start my career. So have learned Java, SQL, HTML, and Servlet JSP. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you Manikanta.
Yeah.
You have placed as a Java developer, right?
Yes.
What are the questions you were asked? It will be helpful for our future Java developer.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. So in my interview experience, I have 3 technical rounds and 1 HR round. In technical round, they are asking about SQL and Java and advanced Java also. In core Java, they are asking about looping statements and hook concepts, multi-threading and multitasking, and about lambda expressions and Java 8 features. In advanced Java, they are asking about JSP servlets and JDBC connections. When coming to SQL, they are asking about how to create tables and how to insert values to the tables, etc. Thank you.
Okay, hi Lakshman.
Hi.
Can you share your experience?
Yeah. Hi, I am Lakshman. I am from Mumbai Mandal Prakasam district. I did my Bachelor's of Technology in Base Institute of Technology in Civil Engineering with 8.5 aggregate. SP Global Solution is a very good platform for learning skills and enhance my knowledge and showing my skills in front of our students. They are providing materials and very good teaching facilities. That's all.
Thank you Lakshman. You are from civil background, right?
Yeah.
So did you face any difficulties in learning coding and all?
Yeah. Before I start my career in software development, I have zero coding skills. When I am joining to the SP Global Solutions, Javas are telling to each and every point in coding line and tell the real-time examples with real-time examples for the coding. They helpful for me to crack the interviews and to write the programs. And that's.
Okay, hi Sai.
And
Can you share your experience?
okay, thank you. Recently, I have joined in SP Global Solutions. The SP Global Solutions provided PDFs, answers, etc. They improved my communication skills, which is very helpful to crack my interview. Recently, I have placed in MNC company. Thank you.
Thank you Sai. Are you satisfied with SP Global Solution?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, before joining to the SP Global Solution, I was very shyful to face the people who are elders to me, and I am very introvert. Literally, I don't know how to speak among the group of people. But after joining to the SP Global Solution, they taught me how to communicate with people and how to build their logics, which is helpful to build their coding standards, which increase my coding standards. Recently, I have attended for an interview, which is level 3 company, and I was shocked because of the competition which I attended for my interview. But due to my Java sir, they encouraged me while conducting mock interviews, daily evaluations. That exams are very useful to crack my interview. Thank you.
Okay. Hi Karuna. Hi ma'am. Can you share your experience? Okay ma'am.
myself Karna. I am from Karimnagar. Basically, I am from non-IT background. Before I joined this institute back before 4 months back, and after I joined in this institute, I learned so many things, and the Java sir was helped me a lot to know the coding skills and how to solve the problems, all those things. Special thanks to Java sir.
Okay, in first company you got placed, or how many interviews you were attended?
I attended 3 interviews and I cracked I cracked the job in third interview. The first 2 interviews I rejected in aptitude exam. So that's why I working hard on aptitude exam, and the aptitude sir was helped me a lot, and he conducted exams, and those exams have helped me a lot to crack that interview.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Special thanks to SP Global Solutions and Shankar sir.
Thank you, SP Global team.